In this video, I'll show you how to set up the TerraMaster using 2.5-inch laptop drives. Let's get started. Take the included screws. Line up the drive with the 4 holes on the bottom of the tray. Then screw it in place. Slide the tray back into the NAS until it clicks. Do the same thing for the second drive and your hardware setup is complete. Next, plug in the power cable. Then connect the 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port to your router or network switch. Press the power button and wait for the startup beep. Now move over to your computer. To start the software setup, download the TNAS desktop app or use TNAS mobile on your phone. By default, it uses TRAID, which is TerraMaster's flexible RAID system. You can change this later in Storage Manager if you want RAID 0, RAID 1, or JBOD. For most home users, RAID 1 or TRAID is the best choice, especially if you are using SSDs, which are already fast. And that's it. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials.